How to backup and restore SharePoint. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to backup and restore SharePoint. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. This is pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So what you need to do is to head over to the central administration of your SharePoint, and then from in there you can see the settings right here. So just click on perform a backup right there, and once you have clicked that, you will be able to see this page wherein you can choose what backup you want to backup. So just click on anything that is applicable to you and just check on them, and once you have checked on them, just click on the next thing right here. Now once you have done that, it will actually ask you for the backup options. So just choose the backup options that are applicable to you. You can make it full or differential, backup content configuration settings, or only configuration settings. It depends on what you want. Then after that, it will show you this page right here when you can put the backup location. So just put the backup location right there, and after that, just click on start backup right here. Now after you have done that, you can see this backup and restore job status, wherein you can see your restore is currently in progress. So what you need to do is just click on refresh right here until your backup is actually up and running again. So what you need to do is, once you have done with this, you can now learn how to restore your SharePoint. So to do that, you can just click on this restore from a backup. And then after you click that, you can see this page right here when you can put the directory location of your backup. And then you can see this right here. So just select that and then click on next. Then after that, just select the component that you want to back up, and then you can now back up it from everything. The next thing, just click on the start restore and you will be able to restore it. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to backup and restore SharePoint. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.